Hello, I'm Neela Mishra, Faculty of Center of Excellence in Renewable Energy Education and Research, University of Lucknow. Climate change, growing populations, and limited fossil fuel reserves have generated a huge interest and demand of renewable energy, which is growing at an exponential rate, creating new job opportunities not only in India but across the globe. Compared with fossil fuel technologies, which are now mechanized and capital intensive, the renewable energy industry is going to provide, on an average, more jobs for each unit of electricity generated from renewable sources than fossil fuels. The Center of Excellence in Renewable Energy is the pioneer institution in India to start various professional and academic courses in renewable energy to the students of science stream at different levels that will help them make a difference with new technologies and effective approaches to energy transformation. Master's program in renewable energy is a postgraduate degree program which equips students with sound knowledge about renewable energy sources production, energy management, climate change, and waste to energy conversion. The entry requirement of this course includes a graduate degree in any of the science stream plus the written examination. Successful candidates of this course can have the career opportunities as professional scientists, academicians in energy sector, energy management and distribution across industrial and public sector organizations. Bachelor of Vocational Education is a UGC-sponsored skill development program in renewable energy technology. VWalk is a 3-year undergraduate course. The key USP of this program is multiple entry and exit levels. The student who completes first semester in the first year successfully and passes the examination and is opting out from further education in VWalk will be conferred certificate in renewable energy technology. The student who completes first year, that is first 2 semester successfully and passes the examination and is opting out will be conferred diploma in renewable energy technology. The students who complete first 2 years, that is 4 semesters successfully and passes the examination and is opting out from further education in VWalk renewable energy technology will be conferred advanced diploma in renewable energy technology. The degree of VWalk renewable energy technology of the University of Lucknow shall be conferred to the candidate who successfully complete 6 semester and passes the examination. Join now and become the future energy leader and get the essential skills and knowledge for a successful career in renewable energy. Thank you.